Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. For the fact of the day, I thought it would be kind of fun to have you guess the answer first. Some of you guys may know this, it has to do with like my birthday and astrology. What do you think my sign is? If you're into this stuff, if you're not, I'm sorry, but just think in your head if you don't know what you think I am, and then I will tell you. So I am a Taurus. If you didn't know that, or even if you did, do you think I fit the Taurus description? What is it even? I need to look into it more. I'm like fascinated by it. I just think it's fun to like read your horoscope and stuff like that, but I would love to know what your sign is, and also if you think I fit the Taurus description. My birthday is in May. Beginning of May, Cinco de Mayo actually. But now let's get back to the subscription. I am opening today. It's a brand new one to our channel and I'm super excited. So this is called HeavenPanty and it comes in this bag. Isn't this so cute? It's like my color scheme. I love it. And then there's little like angel wings that goes with the name. So this is a personalized panty subscription and it's personalized more in just like the style of underwear. So this is the second panty subscription I've ever received and opened on our channel. The other one is Splendies, which I've gotten for a while. And I just received another one in the mail yesterday. So I'm thinking if I get all three of these panty subscriptions next month, like in February, I can open them all together and I can compare them and say like which one I think is best for which type of person or style and all of that. I think that would be fun. But this is definitely the most personalized panty subscription I'm aware of, but I still need to look into the other one. Like I said, we'll compare later. So you get to choose between 1 or 2 pairs of underwear per month, and the pricing starts at $5.99, and the first month is considered a free trial, so you don't have to pay. And I believe if you pay monthly, it's $9.99 a month, and then for 1 pair, and then $16.99 a month for 2 pairs. And I never have seen any other subscription service offer this, but you can pay either every 1, every 2, or every 3 months. Usually it's every 1, 3, 6, or 12. So I think that's cool. You can save a little bit of money if you want to get 2 months. And they have free shipping. I may have mentioned that already. But also if you get a pair that doesn't fit your style, then you get to return it for free. And you have a stylist pick out your panty based on some questions. You take a quiz and it's super easy. So I just retook it, but so they personalize it based on your own choice of cut, color palette, and fabrics. And then they also ask you where you currently shop for underwear, and they list a bunch of stores. One of them is actually Splendies, so I picked that, and you can put what size fits you best there, and they will use that as a size guide for you. So I think that's super helpful. So I have the quiz I took pulled up here. I just took some screenshots earlier. So the first question, they ask you what type of cut you prefer. So this is the one thing that's similar to Splendies. They ask if you want thongs, no thongs, or a mix of both. And I picked a mix of both. Whenever I get the choice to do that in a box I'm opening for you guys, I always ask for like a variety or surprise, usually just so I can show you guys, because we don't all have the same taste, obviously. And then they ask you what your panty collection you're looking for, and you can select one or all. There's exercise, special nights, mom to be, and everyday, and I selected all but mom to be. I am that one. And the next is what is your choice of color palette, and the options are neutral, colors, or mix it up, so I selected mix it up. And then we have how often do you wear lace and satin panties, so like fancy glamorous look, and I put sometimes. And then the next is how often do you wear cotton panties, and I put sometimes as well, because I really do just mix up my underwear style. And how often do you wear seamless panties, so that's like the laser cut ones that like no-show underwear, so it looks like you don't have anything underneath when something's like fitting, and I put sometimes for that as well. And you could either choose frequently, sometimes, or rarely for those questions. I don't think I stated that. And then you also have the option to leave your stylist a note. So if you're like looking for a specific type or like color, whatever, you can let your stylist know, which is also unique. And then where do you regularly buy your panties? And they give a bunch of different options, or you can even put none of the above. And then they show you the suggested sizing and you can confirm or change it. So I think that is definitely personalized. Did I miss anything? So yeah, I think that's it. Isn't that cool how personalized it is? It's so cute. But now let's see what the panty is based on my quiz selections. Oh, cool. There's like some measuring tape in here. I bet like to size yourself better. So then when you get your second month, they know. That's super cool. So I didn't even look at anything else. This is just the first thing I noticed. So the panties come in a resealable bag, which is also super cute. And there is a note here as well. Hopefully my lighting's okay. I didn't bring one of the lights in here today. So here's a note from my stylist, Christina, which is really nice. And on the back, there's some information, it looks like, some codes. It says get up to 150% off your next order. Whoa. And if you leave them a review on Facebook, then you get 50% off. Or if you share a photo you get on Facebook or Instagram, or if you complete a survey, 50% off for doing all those. You can do one of those, like a survey at least, even if you don't have social media. That's awesome. And they say not 100% satisfied with your panty, you can return it, which we talked about. And for sizing instructions, visit this link. So that probably is what that little sizing thing is for. And you can change your preference and size and everything on the website using your account. I love the color of the panties I got, and I love everything about it. So this is the front. It's lacy in the back. Ooh, this seems like good quality too. So I like how it comes packaged so you can like easily see. Like it's nice for me to show you guys on camera too, like what the backs are like, because sometimes I feel like you can't tell when things are sheer or not. So this has a retail value of $12. So that's the same as Splendies, but this seems like good quality. Let's get this off. So there's little pins hold it together so it's not like it's clipped or anything. Ooh, it feels nice. I'm trying to guess what the fabric is. I don't know why I love doing that. I don't know. Guys, I love this pair though. And it seems like it will be true to size. So right after filming, I'll put these on and I can leave on the screen if they fit or not. But to be fair, I have like lost weight recently, but I have not lost really in the boob or butt area. So, and I don't mind. Usually it's a little snug in the butt area. So these are their hipster / bikini style in rose red and lacy. I love these, you guys. I love how there's a little bit of lace in the front. These are sexy. I like it. That's what I was thinking. It was nylon. I love the feel of nylon. So a nylon spandex mix, and then the gusset, or like the middle part where it touches yourself. You know, why do I act like I can't even say anything? It says crotch on here, so I can say gusset and stuff. So the crotch area is 100% cotton, which is good for your vagina. We are allowed to say that word. The V word, it's not bad. I saw some commercial like that, which is true. The V word is bad, but not vagina. Why forget you mad? Because I don't even care. That's stupid. But these are super cute, you guys. I think these are definitely better than the other underwear I got this month, or I guess it was last month, because I'm opening this in January, but I believe I received this at the end of December. I am super happy with it. I would love to know your thoughts. I think their whole plan is awesome, how personalized it is, and it's affordable too. For 2 pairs a month, it's $16.99 with free shipping, so it is a little bit more than Splendies, but I might like the actual panty better. I don't know. We'll hopefully be able to compare everything side by side next month. But I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to let me know what your sign is. And if you don't care, you can say I don't give a F about astrology. But anyways, thank you guys. Special thanks to my channel members. You guys are the best. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and join if you so wish. But no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive. And I appreciate it so much. Well, I haven't done that like actual outro in a while, have I? I'm stumbling over my words, but I appreciate you is my point. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.